Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your progress. Back up the GTA Vice City save files and app data. Once done, confirm your device meets minimal free storage and Android version requirements. Lack of space often causes crashes. You will enable developer options and USB debugging so you can inspect logs if the crash recurs. Next, clear the app cache and data to remove corrupt temporary files. This resets transient state without reinstalling. Move directly to installing a clean APK only after backup completes. You now perform a full clean reinstall. First, uninstall the app and manually delete leftover game folders under Android/data and Android/ob to remove corrupted assets. Next, install a verified APK and place the correct OBB in the /Android/ob folder, making sure folder and file names match exactly. Once installed, launch but don't play immediately. Grant storage and other required permissions so the game can read assets. If the game prompts for additional downloads, allow them and watch for any install errors. You finish by optimizing runtime settings, lower resolution, cap FPS, and disable VSync to reduce GPU strain. Once adjusted, force stop the app, reboot the device, and relaunch. This clears lingering processes and often fixes hard-to-reproduce crashes. If the game still crashes, capture a logcat with USB debugging enabled and look for the exact error string. This tells you whether it's a missing asset, permission, or native library issue. If needed, restore save files after confirming stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.